Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So I got a few stash items to show you here. Just a few items we picked up over the weekend. Did a little Christmas shopping, finished up some things. With typical like a balance. We did most of our shopping online, but the wife wanted to go pick up a few items. I thought, you know what? The old pewter has been running. It runs good, but when I'm doing videos or whatnot, because I put those long videos out sometimes, and I get to the end of it and it starts glitching a little bit, and I thought, I need some more RAM in this thing, some more memory in it, and so went down and picked it up because I'm getting to the end. And it's like, no, we're all done, So I thought time to upgrade a little bit. So we got some memory for that thing, and like I say, we picked up a few items and all that good stuff. So we figured we'll go do this weekend before the chaos starts next weekend. Because that's going to happen, because Christmas is on out. What is it? Christmas morning is a Monday, so that Saturday, she's going to be chaotic down there. So we thought, what, let's beat the crowds, let's beat the rush, and let's beat all the drama and the fighting and all that good stuff. Because it's going to be one of those. Some guys going to be fighting over something in the aisle, and then there's be a fist fight in a parking lot, and then 2 days of therapy after that. Everybody's got the Christmas spirit, but. Yeah, so anyways, we were down there, picked up a few things, and like I say, I picked up a few model kits. And then, while I was down there, for my Detroit people, we had to stop at 9 Mile in DeQuinder. So anybody familiar with that neighborhood? Oh yeah, some Louis Pizza. Oh, the best deep dish pizza around. I think it's the best pizza, for my opinion. And I tell you what, it's just amazing, amazing. If you have never been, I highly recommend. That rhymed, and I didn't realize that, so... I'm telling you, that stuff will set you free. So anyways, we got an Ollie's in town here, and I heard some chatter online about Ollie's got some kits in stock, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to stop in there quick and, check these out. And I did this last week, and I didn't realize Ollie has 20% off on their toys, and Ollie's calls models toys, which, hey, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So first off, I seen in there, and they had probably 20 of these bad boys, and I thought, I might go back and get another one, just because. 64.5 Mustang convertible by Monogram. Yes, sir. So, cool kit, and believe it or not, I have never built this. I know, shocking, I get it. I'm shocked too. So, it's really cool interior. Whoever did the box art on it, who built this kit, very cool. I know this is an older kit. I have this in a trio kit. I started it years ago, never finished at one of those deals. It's still unfinished in the box down there. But I thought, you know what, cool deal. So with that 20% off, these are $12.99. So I think out the door is like $10. So I thought, hey, why not? Another kit I picked up. I got one of these already, and I got a bunch of the Coca-Cola products. I picked up the AMT Freehoff semi-trailer, the tractor trailer. It's just cool. I'm a Coke fan to start with, so I mean, this is just a bonus for me. And I like picking up the Coke stuff for the accessories, for the goodies you get inside. I know this kit, I don't believe, comes with anything but the model. But the vans and the cars and all those things, they come with like vending machines and coolers and pop bottles and all kinds of cool stuff. So I like picking them up just for the accessories, Like I say, this is pretty cool. I do have that truck there. And one day I thought, it'd be nice to build like a loading dock facility or something and put all these on here. So that's why I picked another one up. Just for that one day. One day project that I'll someday get to. Yeah, right. So I thought that was pretty cool. Pretty good buy, because these are normally $20. So I think it was like $15.99 out the doors, or $15.99 in tax, whatnot. But still, that's a pretty good deal for that kit. So other than that, we're getting ready to wrap up. When I was down to Detroit area, and wife says, "Hey, I got to run into Michael's real quick. Want to stop?" And I thought, you know what? Michael sells models. Yeah, let's go check out and see what they got. And of course, you're down there shopping half the time. You always look for something for yourself, So I go in there and I thought, oh man, I have not seen this kit in forever. And well, I take that back. I have seen it a lot lately. I should put it that way. And I just keep passing up. And I've seen this built many times. I thought, you know what? I want to buy that. It's a cool kit. The 83 Hearst Oldsmobile by Revell. Yes, sir. I think, man, that is such a cool kit. I'm a G-Body fan. I like them. Kid from the 80s, so just these are the cars running around. Everybody had these things everywhere. Power plant wise, they weren't the baddest out there, but it's just a cool body style, and I've always liked these cars. And I thought, this would be a really cool build, and one day I would like to get on this one as well. So the last kit I picked up, this was also a Michael's find. This was a full pricer here, and I thought, well, you know what? I got to do it. I had to do it. This is an MPC Willys MB Jeep, and this is the old Godzilla kit. Check that out. I thought, how cool is that? I remember seeing this a long time ago. I have not seen it lately, and I thought, man, I gotta have it. So it's just very cool. The box artwork alone is just worth it to me. Even if I don't open or build it, I thought, that is so cool looking. And inside the kit, you know, obviously get your Jeep model. You can build a military version or a survey version. And it does come with a 10-inch power line, the transmission tower. And you get a background of mountains with Godzilla in it. So you get a little bit of Japanese scenery with it. And on the other side of the box, you get a little bit of movie magic screenshots. The king himself there, the beast, and all that good stuff. So pretty cool. You know, it's funny looking at these movies nowadays. You're thinking, wow, that is the cheesiest thing I ever seen in my life. But you know what? Growing up, you know, when they first was airing these back in the day, they were, yeah, every summer, I can't remember what time it was, but they did it for 1 week, and they had Monster Week, and they had every day there was a monster movie on. It was a Godzilla movie, and they're all black and white. And, you know, I'm dating myself. You had to get up and turn the dial on the TV yet, you know. So very cool, very cool. But I remember watching as a kid, so I just like it. I had to have the box. I just, you like to say, even if I don't build, I'll just put it on shelf to look at it. Super cool. So typical round 2 MPC fashion. You get the road map on the back, all that good stuff. So pretty cool kit. Had to have it. Like I say, even if I don't build it. One of those deals. So other than that, if you guys have not yet been, go to the website for Hobby Nut Models and check out their sale. They have a end of the year sale. They do this annually. It's every year they've got one of these going on. And it runs from November to December. So December 31st of 2023. They got huge deals and huge savings and all that good stuff. So, you know, it's not too late. You can still go out and get yourself something and get you something nice for Christmas. You know, get that something special for yourself. You know what I mean? Or for that somebody special. Either way. So, like I said, there's a lot of cool things on sale. So, you know, take advantage of those cool sale items for the holidays. So, other than that, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up short and sweet. Yeah, my videos usually run pretty long, but that's just the way it goes. So, other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video. And you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.